Hi all, I finally got my wee blessings. It was supposed to come in November. Got here the last day of December. I don't know what was going on with them. Usually they're not like that. But I'm glad it came because, you know, starting tomorrow, it's a no spend month. So if there's anything I really loved in here, I wouldn't be able to get it tomorrow. So I'm gonna open it today and hopefully get some feedback from y'all before it's tomorrow. Well, I had taped the bottom, but that wasn't where the, well, I might have to go get some scissors. It doesn't look like this is gonna open. Maybe. There we go, I'm getting to rip some. So if you don't know, Wee Blessings is kind of like Stitch Fix or whatever. It's a styling service, but it's only like, it's $8 shipping to ship it to you and free returns, and there's no styling fee. What I like about it is every piece is between 40 and 60% off. You don't have to buy like the whole package or anything. See, here's the return envelope. And if you get somebody else to sign up under your name, first time they buy something, you get $50. So that's kind of cool. So as usual, I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 things. Most expensive one is $27. Cheapest one is $15. So we show, and you get 10 days to send it back. But if you send it back after 10 days, they won't take it. So you gotta make sure you get it back in those 10 days. So it used to be in black, but now it's in kind of a pretty lilac color. A little tissue paper bundle part. Let's see what we got in here. One thing I like about them too is they put it in the stack the way it is on the price list. So here's what the stack looks like. Pull this ottoman a little bit so I can put this down on the ottoman. Okay, I think I already have one very similar to this, so this is going to be a no. It's a hoodie with kind of like, I don't know what you'd call that pattern. Marbled, maybe? What do they call it? Adrienne black and white fleece hoodie. This doesn't feel like fleece. Normally $50, might cost $27. Well, I'll try it on for you, but I have one very similar to this, so I'm definitely not going to get this one. This is from The Gap. It says right on it, The Gap. It's a pretty color. Gap Violet, I wouldn't call that violet. Long sleeve pullover, petite 2 extra large. I don't usually wear a 2X. Normally $34.99, might cost $21. That seems a little high for just, it's one of these. I think I could get this at Walmart for more like $10. But I love the color. Looks good on me. Okay, what do we have here? Something in black. It's got this neck on it that's got like little woven hole things. And long, well, I don't know if these are 3/4 or long sleeves. They look like 3/4 sleeves. This is Karen Scott deep black long sleeve shirt, petite 2XL. I don't know why they're sending me 2XLs. And then the next one, they send me a small. A woman's small, but still a small. So their sizes are all over the place. This one is normally $36.50. My cost, this is the one that's $15. Ooh, this is soft. Ooh, I like this. This is Acting Pro gray green long sleeve striped hoodie, women's small. Original price $46.99. My cost $25. This is so soft, and I like that it's. Can you see? It's that. It looks gray in the picture, but it's that olive green, and it's super soft. Does it have a pocket in the front? No, but it's got a tie in the front. Those don't always look good on me because they pull up and they let your stomach peek out, and I'm not real fond of that. Not real. I mean, if they're off to the side, but this one looks like it's smack in the middle. So this one may not look too good on me. I asked them for some joggers that weren't sweatpants, so I don't know. This is that slicky kind of material that I don't usually care for too much, but it's got pockets, zippered pockets on the legs. No pockets in the front or back. Not real gung-ho on the color, but maybe. Keep you dry. Okay, so if it's raining, wood is out in the rain. This is an extra large. Sometimes I can wear an extra large, sometimes not. So these are all iffy, and you know, I'm trying to save money right now, so if I don't dearly love it, I'm probably not going to get it. So these are all a little, and the pants were only $22, normally $39.99. So let's try some of this stuff on and see what you think. You can tell me if any of it's worth spending money on. It's the last day I can spend any money for a month, so, but I'm not going to spend it just to spend it. You know, I've got plenty of clothes, so if I don't dearly love it, I'm not going to get it. So I'll be back. I'm going to try some on for you. Hopefully the pants will fit, and then I can try everything on with the pants. If not, I've got burgundy pants on, so yeah, they're not going to go too good with some of this stuff. I guess they go with some of it. Probably not the green and gray striped one. Wouldn't go too great with burgundy. But alrighty, I'll be back. Okay, I don't want to sound like a negative Nancy here. Well, I shouldn't say that. My sister's name's Nancy, and she hates that when people say that. I don't want to sound negative, but I don't think I want any of them. And there's nothing wrong with any of them. They're all really nice things. They're just not for me. This is really cute. It's got little buttons on it. It's got the little lines in it. I don't know what you'd call that. And I love the color, but I'm just thinking I can get this at Old Navy or Walmart or Target or somewhere for cheaper than, how much was this one? $21. That just seemed a little high for me for what it is. I liked this one. It's only $15. It looked good on me. This one's the only one I'm iffy about. I have a couple other black tops, but they're getting kind of old, so this one's like, what should I do kind of thing. It is only $15. So this one's a maybe. You think it's, I don't know. This is an, I don't know. Look at me in it. I'm one of those two places. See what you think. This one, I like this one, except I didn't like the high neck, but you can unzip it, of course, and make it not be a high neck. But I have one almost exactly like it, except the zipper goes crisscross instead of up and down like this one does. But other than that, it's the same material and everything. So this one's an Adrian black and white fleece hoodie, $27. That's a definite no, because I already have one. I just didn't think this one looked very good to me. It's so soft. I wanted to like it, but I don't think the color did much for me. Kind of washed me out, and I didn't like the little tie in the front, but it is adorable. If you like this style and you look good in gray, it is very nice. It is Old Navy sand. Nope, that's not it. Acting Pro gray green. This is a woman's small, but it still fit. $25. And these, even though they're only an extra large, so I hesitated about them fitting. They were actually too big. They were baggy in the butt because I've got no butt. And the crotch kind of hung down kind of low, but yeah. And then I don't really care for this slicky kind of material too much. I guess if I was out in the rain a lot, I'd like it. And I liked the zippered pockets on the legs and how these, you know, it had the elastic on the ankles to keep you warm, but it doesn't rain that much here, so I don't really need this kind of pants. But if you where it rains and snows a lot, you might really like them. Old Navy, those are Old Navy sandstone athletic joggers. Women's extra large, normal $39.99, might cost $22. So I'm inclined to send them all back, but maybe keep the black one. What'd you think of the black one? That's the only one I'm even considering keeping. Partly because it's only $25 and partly because, you know, who doesn't, you can always use a black shirt with anything. I have to look at my closet. I know I have one black shirt it slants like this and it's got white underneath, and most of it's black, and then there's at the bottom of the slant there's a strip of white. And then I've got some short sleeve white ones. I'm not sure I have a 3/4 sleeve or long sleeve black one. No, I said white, I meant black. So I don't know. This one's a maybe. I do have a couple black sweaters though. So if it's cold, I don't know. I'm really iffy about it. So let me know. Let me know what you think. If you want to try We Blessings, I really like We Blessings. It's my favorite. I'm not doing Fashion ever again. And Stitch Fix is getting kind of high, so I don't do them much anymore, maybe once a quarter. So this is my favorite. I get it every other month. And the prices are usually really good, you know, because you're getting 40, 50, 60% off individual items, so you don't have to buy 3 or 4 or 5 items to get the discount. So I really like We Blessings. It's one of my favorites. I highly recommend it. I'll put my link, little code thing below, and if you do it, I don't think you get anything, but I get $50. So, but then if you do it, then you can get one of your friends to do it, and then you can get $50. I guess they still do that. Let's see, does it say they still do that? Yep, don't forget, refer a friend and get a $50 credit on your next shipment. So that's actually a better deal than any other one I've ever seen with the credits. Once in a while, Stitch Fix will have $50, but mostly they're a $25 credit. So anyway, anywho, today is New Year's Eve, so happy New Year's Eve. I'm going to do a video next of the decorations my granddaughter did. I should see those. And I've got my Hello, not Hello, I was going to say Hello Fresh. Heaven Panty, that's it. So I'll put that video up tomorrow. It'll be my first one of the new year. So happy New Year's, stay safe out there. Don't go driving out with all those drunks. I usually stay home on New Year's Eve, all the drunks on the road. So I'm gonna have all those, well, there's 4 of them, 4 young adults. They're all in their early 20s, come over, and I'll show you some of what their decorations and stuff are in my next video. I'll tell you how hopefully their party goes well. All right, I'm just looking at a little text message thing came on the side, and I was like, what does that say? I couldn't read it before it disappeared. Well, Happy New Year, love y'all. If you haven't subscribed, love to have you. My goal is I'm not even gonna make a goal. And tomorrow also, I'm gonna do the Heaven Panty thing, and I'm also going to tell you what word of the year God gave me. So we'll do a video on that too. Love y'all. Bye-bye.